let's make an Ayurvedic hair oil. We're going to start with Brahmi Powder. Brahmi Powder stimulates blood circulation, which encourages new hair growth. It helps to prevent split ends due to its strengthening of the hair shaft, and it reduces breakage and brittleness. It also thickens the hair by revitalizing its follicles, which leads to increased hair density, making hair thick and more voluminous. Let's talk about Moringa Powder. Now, you know about Moringa Powder just as I know about Moringa Powder. Moringa Powder nourishes the hair due to its rich source of zinc, which is a mineral that protects the hair from dryness, allowing the oil glands in the scalp to remain healthy. It improves hair shine and elasticity due to its presence of behenic acid, which is a saturated fatty acid. This naturally conditions the hair, making it shiny and bouncy. Now let's move on to Amla Powder, one of my favorite powders. Amla Powder reduces hair fall, prevents hair loss, it prevents premature graying, and it also protects the hair from external damage due to the tannin and calcium minerals found in amla. Now, the next powder is one of my favorites, which is the Hibiscus Powder. This powder conditions the hair because of its natural oils and emollient properties. It strengthens the hair due to its rich levels of mucilage, which coats the hair strand, making hair less likely to break. It improves the hair elasticity. It promotes hair growth by stimulating the scalp. It nourishes the hair strand, and it improves blood circulation to the hair follicles, which encourages new hair growth. These are my top 4 Ayurvedic powders for hair growth. Look at that amazing color in this jar. These powders combined with a few other ingredients form the base of my Ayurvedic hair oil that I love to use. I use specifically 2 great oils that I combine with these 4 powders to soak for about 4 to 6 weeks. And then I add some more oils once that soaking is complete. Now that we've mixed all of these powders together, we're going to add in our oils. We're going to start with avocado oil, which is a great source of vitamin A, D, and E. These are essential for healthy hair growth. We also have jojoba oil, which is great for strengthening the hair strand, reducing buildup, breakage, and split ends. We're going to add these oils to our powders. Jojoba oil is also antifungal and antibacterial, which is a great quality to have because it's useful for preventing dandruff. It also gives the hair a natural shine, and it makes the hair appear glossy and healthy. Now we're going to add actually the avocado oil, which is also great for nourishing hair follicles, stimulating cell turnover, and it's great for detangling the hair because of its fatty acid. It makes the hair easier to brush and style. Now that we've added our oils to these 4 amazing powders, we are going to mix everything together. Some key points about this Ayurvedic hair oil that we've created. It's strengthening. It's great for promoting hair growth. It's conditioning, nourishing, and antimicrobial. This is the base oil for my sealing and moisturizing part of my hair care routine. More ingredients are added later. However, this oil is the base oil, and I leave it to infuse for about 4 to 6 weeks in a dark corner, mixing every 2 weeks. and until I'm ready to create a new batch of oils. I will let this sit in a corner so that it can infuse and become very potent. This is the oil, and I'm going to show you how I use it in another video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you've used any of these ingredients before in your hair, and if you would give this Ayurvedic oil a try.